Do you want to get scammed while buying or building a new PC? If your answer is no, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show you the best PC parts that you should buy to get the best gaming performance out of your $700 PC build in 2023. Let's get started. Now for the processor, you should get the Intel Core i3-12100F. This one costs around $106. Now it comes with 4 cores and 8 threads along with 4.3 GHz boost clock speed, which makes it an excellent budget gaming processor. Then for the motherboard, we have chosen the Gigabyte B660M DS3H. This one costs $109. This motherboard comes with 4 RAM slot, PCIe Gen for NVMe SSD support, small heatsink over the VRM section, all the ports that you need. Now comes the main components of a gaming PC build, the graphics card. Here we are using XFX Radeon RX 6600. This one costs around $248. Now with this graphics card, you can basically play any modern games at 1080p resolution with ultra settings. Also, you can use this graphics card for 1440p medium settings gaming. So it's an excellent budget gaming graphics card. Then for the RAM, we have chosen the Silicon Power Value Gaming DDR4 16GB. This one costs only $35. Now these are the cheapest DDR4 RAM that you can buy, and those RAMs just work completely fine with any build, so it's an excellent deal. And for the storage, you have chosen the Western Digital 1TB SSD. This one has almost 10,000 plus 4.8 star positive reviews on Amazon, which is an excellent decent deal. And for the power supply, you have chosen the Thermaltake Tough Power 80 plus Gold certified 600 watt power supply. This one costs $64, and it also comes with 5-year plus warranty and 80 plus Gold certification, which is excellent for this price. And finally, casing is completely up to you, buy whichever you like. Here we are using a Zeus GameDX ATX mid-tower casing, cost only $54, and as you can see, it's an excellent value for money option. You will get 4 pre-installed ARGB fan, mesh front, side tempered glass, and an excellent deal in this price. And all those components will cost you around $668. Thanks for watching.